This is what sea lions sound like.
The dark brown one's a seal. The light brown one's a sea lion.
No, these are both sea lions.
I don't know about that, kiddo.
One of them got bitten by a shark, the other one went blind.
Yep.
You hear that?
They're both from the same place in California. Oh, here we go.
We grew up in California with these.
Yeah.
This had different accents.
Start honking again. Or start barking again. I think that's
You guys
what it's called.
remember seeing them on the pier over the summer?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa!
Splash!
This thing got me.
There we go.
Ow. Water hurt.